Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Notion error code 500. The error reads, internal server error. As per our research, the error comes when users try to access Notion, but the app either shows a 500 server error or goes offline. The error prevents users from accessing their workspace or using the platform. According to our research, this is a server-side issue from Notion's end. Probably their systems are facing an outage or internal problem. To fix the error, the first thing we suggest is to wait and try again later. This issue usually happens when something is wrong on their servers and only Notion can fix it. So wait for some time and try again. If the error still comes, check if Notion works on a different platform. For example, if you're using the desktop version, try switching to the mobile app or web browser, or vice versa. If the error still persists, visit status.notion. So to see if there are any ongoing issues or maintenance updates from the Notion team. At last, if the error continues, contact Notion support and let them know about the issue while waiting for them to resolve it. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.